With Apple Pay, you can use your Apple devices to make purchases in stores, online, and in apps. It's easy, secure, and private. To get started, be sure to sign in with your Apple ID on any device you want to use with Apple Pay. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a credit or debit card. Then, use the camera to scan your card or enter your card information manually. Once you've added a card on your iPhone, you can verify it for use on your Apple Watch too. When making a purchase in person, check for the Apple Pay or contactless indicator symbol. You can use Apple Pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch at participating stores, restaurants, vending machines, when paying for ride shares or public transit, and more. Ready to check out? If you have an iPhone with Face ID, double-click the side button and glance at your iPhone to authenticate. If you have an iPhone with Touch ID, double-click the Home button, then rest your finger on it to authenticate. Or, depending on your settings, you can use your passcode. Your default card will appear. If you'd like to choose a different card, tap your default card and tap the card you want to use. Then, hold it near the card reader until it's done. Purchasing something online? You can use Apple Pay with many apps and for shopping on websites in Safari. There's no need to type in your information. Just look for the Apple Pay button at checkout, confirm your billing details, and you're good to go. And that's how you can make purchases securely and easily with Apple Pay.